Hey guys, as it says on this thumbnail, unlock your potential as an appliance technician, overcoming your fear of inexperience. I made this video particularly for you new guys, beginners, or those that want to be appliance tech. I have a lot of students that first joined my program and one of their biggest fears was experience. Well, you can put that to rest. I have been working on Appliance Tech Pro 2 AI for that very reason. And I have given it every scenario that I possibly could, and I will continue to do that. If you haven't heard about AI, you have been cheating yourself. This is an awesome AI. I created it, I've tested it several times. So short answer is, for all of you who's been sitting on your thumbs, not getting out there and earning the money this lucrative industry provides, you can put that to rest. Because you will literally take this AI, put it, like I said earlier in some of the other videos, on your cell phone, iPad, whatever you use in the field. You can pre-diagnose, troubleshoot, and find out what's wrong with that appliance even before you see it. You'll have the confidence that you need. And for you techs that already been out there and been repairing appliances and either guessed at it, done it wrong, some of you probably have quit. Well, that's behind you. Appliance Tech Pro 2 AI will solve that problem. All you have to do is whatever appliance you're about to go out and diagnose and troubleshoot and repair is put it in Appliance Tech Pro 2 AI, and it will give you the answer step by step. So now, once you get this, there's no reason to go out there and have an awesome career in the appliance repair industry. Now, here's just a few things that you're going to learn in this video about the AI that I've created. You're going to overcome the fear of experience, virtual mentorship on learning. You're going to learn about real-time diagnostics, step-by-step repair guidance. So while you're in the field and you don't know what to do, this AI will do it for you. Extensive knowledge base. Guys, I don't have the words to explain the power in this AI. If I would have had this 17 years ago when I started, I would have saved myself a lot of headaches, a lot of misdiagnoses, a lot of going back and having to give customers their money because the guy that trained me was not that detailed. This AI is that detailed. I said it in one of my other videos and I'll say it again without hesitation. I believe a 15-year-old can take this AI, probably younger, someone that's halfway intelligent, take the AI and go out and repair appliances. There are no stones unturned. From the moment of diagnosing it, troubleshooting it, repairing it, the AI does it for you. No appliance it won't diagnose for you. And you will know exactly what to do when you get in the membership area. Because what I'm doing there is just continually adding scenarios, refrigerators, ice makers, washing machine, dishwasher, doesn't matter, stoves, oven, built-in ovens, you name it, trash compactors for those of you that do that, microwaves, it is in this AI. All you have to do is speak to it or type it in. Now, like I said in another video, they've gotten even more features, and one of them is you can speak to the AI and ask a question. If any of you text, especially if you're like me, have tried to text and it takes you a long time and you hit the wrong buttons, like I said earlier, my kids can do it in 15 seconds, might take me 3 minutes because I'm hitting the wrong buttons and I'm not texting what I'm trying to relay or convey to another person. Now, I'm going to prove that this AI is awesome because I am going to use an AI voice to explain even more in detail the power of Appliance Tech Pro 2 AI. So watch the video until the end. Always be learning and be blessed.
Are you a budding appliance repair technician worried about your lack of experience? It's time to transform that fear into a powerful advantage. Appliance Tech Pro 2 AI is here to empower you and ensure that you conquer your fear of inexperience, setting you on the path to a successful and fulfilling career. How does Appliance Tech Pro 2 help you overcome inexperience? 1. Virtual mentorship. Think of Appliance Tech Pro 2 as your personal mentor. Available 24/7, it provides expert guidance, ensuring you never feel alone in your learning journey. 2. Real-time diagnostics. Appliance Tech Pro 2 enables you to quickly and accurately diagnose appliance issues, giving you the confidence to tackle even the trickiest problems. 3. Step-by-step repair guidance. Never feel lost during a repair again. Our AI offers clear, step-by-step instructions, ensuring you perform every task with precision. 4. Extensive knowledge base. Access a vast database of appliance models, common issues, and solutions. It's like having an encyclopedia of appliance repair knowledge right at your fingertips. 5. Safe learning environment. Appliance Tech Pro 2 allows you to make mistakes and learn from them in a risk-free environment. It's the perfect space to build your skills without fear. Why choose Appliance Tech Pro 2? Build confidence. Gain the confidence to approach any repair job, even if you are just starting your career. Learn at your pace. Appliance Tech Pro 2 adapts to your learning speed and style, ensuring you grasp concepts thoroughly. Repeat and review or revisit challenging repair scenarios as often as you like until you are comfortable with them. Stay current. Our AI is constantly updated with the latest industry insights and techniques, keeping you ahead of the curve. Turn fear into expertise with Appliance Tech Pro 2. You're not just learning. You're gaining hands-on experience and becoming a seasoned technician. Your fear of inexperience will transform into a strong foundation for success. Get started today. Don't let inexperience hold you back from pursuing your passion for appliance repair. Join the Appliance Tech Pro 2 community and take control of your future as a confident and skilled technician. Contact us for more information, have questions or need more information. Give us a call at 8002155495 or 9013877525 or visit us at catec1.com. We are here to assist you. Contact us today and let's conquer your fear of inexperience together with Appliance Tech Pro 2. Empower your journey. Your path to becoming a respected and accomplished appliance repair technician starts here. Embrace the opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive in the world of appliance repair with Appliance Tech Pro 2. Your future begins today. Always be learning. Be blessed.